Welcome back to the channel. Chad here with Sinister RC, and today I have the KAMMQI, I think that's how you say it, KAMMQI soldering station. And I got this for my birthday from my father, and this is just a blessing right here. Normally I use this soldering pencil right here, and it works pretty good, but you have to shut it off every time it doesn't go into sleep mode. The temperature isn't always regulated right, and sometimes I have to melt some of the solder in some of my RCs. I actually have to get above 400 degrees, and this really doesn't heat up enough without burning the tips out. So hopefully this one will solve my issue. It's got a really nice soldering pencil. Let's see here, get that cap off of there. Ooh, that's on there pretty good. Oh, there we go. That's a nice tip. It comes with a set of 4 tips, or no, 2, 4, 5, 6 tips you get with this. I like these chisel head tips. It comes with a soldering spool solder, and this, I believe, is some wick, soldering wick, which I'm out of currently, so this is kind of nice too. Look up solder off the board or whatever. This plugs into right here. Oh, that soldering pencil. And this goes right here on this side here. It's your soldering spool. Okay, I guess it doesn't really matter which way it goes. Imagine I should go like that. Yep. Screwdriver. Now, do this. Will fit through like that. Here we go. I believe that'll work like that. Oh yeah, it's kind of nice there. Ooh, that's cool. And then I have my own spool of solder here. Let's see. It's got a sticker here we can get rid of. Yeah, it'll actually hold 2 spools. That's kind of nice. I gotta feed off this. Okay. It sits in there just like that. Let's get her plugged in and see how this works. Okay, I got it over here into my workstation where I've built and taken apart many things. And it'll probably sit, you know, just over here in the corner out of my way. And get it turned on here. Switch. At Celsius, it'll be, let's see, 200 degrees. And then you can, you know, turn it on up all the way up to 480. Won't need it that hot. And you go to Fahrenheit. And it does have a sleep mode, and I think it's when you hang it up here. Let's get this heated up a little bit. We'll go to 250. And it is a chunk of this wire that I had here. Shouldn't take too long to heat up. It said it heats up super fast. Well, it's been a few seconds. Let's just see if we can tin up this. Not quite yet. Yeah, I really like this design with your little cleaner here, and you have your, there it is. It's starting to get hot though. Cleaning sponge here. Let's see how well it does. It's not melting that solder yet. Getting hot though. I don't like these pointed head tips. I mean, they're pretty good for like when you're soldering on drone motors and stuff. A little bit of tinning. I really don't have no projects today to solder up, but next repair video, this is what we're using. I really like this setup. Jump in there and turn it off. This is, you know, a cheap way to go too. It was $40. It's not a bad buy. Good colors. It comes with, you know, a spool of solder, the solder holder, the station, some cleaner, your sponge, solder sucker, and these things really work pretty good. I've had to use them a few times. I have one, and kind of like having it because it's not all melted up like mine. And this stuff works as like a sponge, wicks up solder off a board or whatever, and this is nice to have. It comes with these tips, which I'll probably buy more because stock tips kind of burn up. They'll work, they'll serve their purpose for a while. Yeah, this comes highly recommended by me. I cannot wait to use it.